basic equation for the SR flip-flop. Now, what is a master-slave flip-flop? To understand this, we take an example of a master-slave SR flip-flop. As the name indicates, one is the master and another is the slave. So, one is dependent upon the other and so on. Now, a master-slave flip-flop is constructed from two separate flip-flops. One circuit serves as a master at one time and the other as a slave. Now, master-slave flip-flop is enabled on the positive edge of the clock pulse, that is CP. When we give a positive side, the master will work, and the slave will work. It is disabled by one inverter signal applied. That is, when we give an inverter signal, the slave will be disabled. So that means clearly that only the master works at one particular time and the slave is not working at one particular time, at that same time. So the information at the external and you can work with that problem. So coming up to the edge triggered SR flip-flop, the Q and Q bar outputs can also change the state when the clock signal falls from 0 logic to logic 1, and this is known as the falling edge of the clock signal, and hence the designation as edge triggered flip-flop. So as seen here from the diagram, we have a clear picture. Circuit for a rising edge triggered by the SR flip-flop, which can be constructed using two SR latches and gates, seen here. Yes, and the clock input as it is going in the as inverted for the first SR latch, and then the clock pulse as going for the second SR latch here, and then at the end we attain the outputs in the form of Q and Q dash. So this is the working